आपने व्याध गीता के बारे में सुना है क्या? नाउ दिस इज अ स्टोरी वेयर सेज मार्कंडे इज टेलिंग टू युधिष्ठिर when he is in the forest. He is talking about a सन्यासी जो बहुत ऑस्टेरिटीज करके, बहुत सारा तपस करके उन्होंने बहुत सारे सिद्धि प्राप्त कर लिए हैं. एंड ही इज गॉटन अ सिद्धि ऑफ बर्निंग थिंग्स इन. इफ ही सीज समथिंग विथ एंगर इट विल ऑल बर्न एंड बिकम इनटू एशेस. सो एक दिन वो पेड़ के नीचे बैठे हैं एंड देयर इज अ क्रो एंड अ क्रेन दैट आर रियली फाइटिंग and bickering, and he looks at them and they're burnt in ashes and they fall down and die. Now this young sannyasi who's gotten these siddhis goes for begging alms and getting food. So जब वो एक घर में जाते हैं तो there's a lady on household गृहस्थनी थी, and she's very busy taking care of her sick husband and doing the household work, so she tells him to wait. And he gets very, very angry. And then he says, you do not know what I can do or what powers I have if I get really angry. So she says to him that I am neither a crane nor a crow for me to be very fearful of you that you'll burn me down. He gets very surprised. He said, how did you know? He's like, I am a household individual and I have gotten illumination or enlightenment with doing my household things in a righteous manner, with love, with cherish in my heart, with all of that. So I suggest you to go to Vyadha in Mithila. मिथिला नगरी में एक व्याध है, who's a butcher. उसके पास जाइए और उससे ज्ञान लीजिए, how to become more धार्मिक, how to become more patient. And he does. This person, this sage goes to Vyadha the butcher, and वहाँ पे जो teaching सिखाई गई है उसको व्याध गीता बोलते हैं. सो द बुचर्स गीता, इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट way to understand that every individual can give you gyan if you're ready to take it. And irrespective of what profession they come from, irrespective of what background they come from, they can be very, very wise. And this is what our stories, our history also tells us. So इसको कहते हैं व्याध गीता या फिर बुचर्स गीता.